I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally deleted files from Google Drive, don't worry. You can recover them easily by following these steps. Step 1. Open Google Drive. Go to Drive Google.com and log in with your Google account. This is where all your files are stored, and you'll need to access it to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Navigate to Trash. On the left sidebar, click on Trash. This is where deleted files are temporarily stored before being permanently removed. Step 3. Locate your deleted files. Browse through the files in the trash to find the ones you want to recover. If you have many files, use the search bar at the top to help you locate them quickly. Step 4. Restore the files. Once you find the file you want to recover, right-click on it and select Restore. This will move the file back to its original location in your drive. Step 5. Check original location. After restoring, navigate back to your drive and check the folder where the file was originally stored. Sometimes, files can be misplaced, so it is good to double-check. If you don't see a file in trash, remember that items are only kept there for 30 days before permanent deletion. I hope this helps you recover your important files.